Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday and it's July 8th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, I still think we're going to at least go up to the 78%. Wave Bs can go beyond that, though. Wave Bs can take out the previous highs. I mean, this thing could go take out the 100% very easily if it wants to. The trend is up on the monthly, the trend is up on the weekly, the trend is up on the daily. So I am definitely not going to be looking for any shorts. I'm going to be doing nothing but looking for longs. As you can see, price is going down a little bit, which is great news for me. Once it goes down and breaks this low, the first thing I'm going to do is tell my Fibonacci retracement I'm here. Then I'm going to hopefully see one, two, three-way pullbacks, hopefully see a Fibonacci bounce, and then that is going to be the next trade I'm looking for potentially the continuation of the uptrend. I definitely will not be trying to sort a trend that is up on the daily, up on the weekly, and up on the monthly, but instead I will be patiently waiting for more pullbacks to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.